I've had the DeWALT DW735 planer for almost a year now, and it's used in most of my projects. I love this tool, it's a powerhouse, but it's very loud, and I've been through 2 pairs of double-sided blades so far. Carbide Tool contacted me from seeing my use of the planer and offered their Helical cutterhead for free, for me to install and share my opinion about it on my channel. I love a free upgrade to one of my favorite tools, and I'm not afraid to put something to the test and give my opinion. So today I'm going to do many tests to compare the original blades to this new Helical cutterhead. Installation takes about an hour, plus about 30 minutes to install all 56 little cutters. It's straightforward if you have any mechanical know-how. I've had no problems doing it myself. I released at the same time as this a detailed video on the installation process, linked above. I've also left links in the description where you can buy this cutterhead if it's an upgrade you decide to do. Now that it's installed, let's plane some wood and run some tests. As you can see from the tests, the sound from the helical blades is much more tolerable in the rest of the house than the original blades. To me, in my basement shop, this is very important. The power used during planing is higher with the helical blades, but it never tripped my breaker so far. Now let's compare what matters the most, the finished result. More obvious on softwoods like this 2x8, with the original blade I had some significant tear out. More so on woods with a lot of figure like this. You can see this by the jaggy lines in the figure. In comparison, the helical blades left me with a shiny finish, where the figure is all flat with straight lines. As you use the regular blades, one problem with them is they accumulate nicks, and that shows up immediately on your finish. Using a lot of reclaimed wood and pallets, I get those almost right after changing blades. I'm hoping the carbide cutters on this helical cutterhead will last much longer, and from what I've read, they will. From the fast and successful install and the amazing difference in sound resonated across my house, I love this upgrade so far. The only disadvantage is that rotating and changing the blades will take an hour or so instead of a few minutes. This should happen much less often though, because of the carbide cutters are much more durable than the original stainless steel blades. Thanks again to Find Buy Tool for supplying this cutter head for me to test with. Here's what comes with the kit if you decide to buy one. I have links in the description and a $10 off coupon. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. I'll be using this cutter head from now on my channel, so a more deep opinion will come as I use it more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.